How to delete your Roblox account on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Settings option you see there. Further, tap on the Privacy and Content Restrictions option you see there and then tap on the Account Deactivation and Deletion option. Further, if you want to deactivate your account for the time being, then you can tap on the Deactivate option there. And if you want to completely delete your account, then tap on the Initiate button you see there beside the Initiate Account Deletion option. In the confirmation that appears, tap on Initiate again and you will then be required to tap on the Contact Us or Support option you see there. So tap on the support form option link and you will then be required to fill in the form shown on the screen. So start by entering your username followed by your first name and then enter your email address and then confirm your email address. You will then be required to select the device and you are facing issue in and then type in the category of help that you want. You will further be required to describe your issues. So go ahead and simply type in you want to delete your account and then enter a reason for why you are deleting your account and then tap on the continue button, and with this your account will be processed for deletion. So this is how you can delete Roblox account permanently. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.